higher and the way back up again. So 23,440s would have been your Heisman trade entry. So you'd have got 41, 42, 43s. Theos came in a lot more aggressively. And you can see, obviously, at the bottom edge there, we also see a Charlie D reversal candle. So if you waited for the Charlie D reversal, you could have taken advantage of that. The price you'd have got there is about 45, really. About 45 is an entry price if you waited for the Charlie D reversal candle to form and then take your swing at it at that point. So that is a winning trade. Beautiful bit of business. In the world of very short-term stuff, there was obviously a bit of liquidity added at slightly higher prices, around about the 436s, 437s. And that might have caught your attention. Dealers not 100% clean on what their ideas are yet on this trade. You'll see the bottom edge here in terms of the NASDAQ. You'll see that the liquidity was kind of empty, and then it started to refresh around this area here at 430. And then it started to lift away from this. You can see there's a bit of a widening here, which was nice because that gave you that confidence that with the market widening here, at least we know there's some buyers at the top edges in this area, giving you the confidence that when this liquidity starts coming back in again behind you, you start recognizing the 435 as a reasonable price to pay. And sure enough, the 435 as a reasonable price has lifted the price out, and you've got a good pop to the upside. So well done, everybody that's on it. Congratulations, good bit of business.